All right, guys. So are we all ready?
Yes, sir.
Great. Okay. So what is static list? The use of it.
Are you asking me, Faisal?
No, this is the questions where you can appear. You can say that I can answer. Mhm. We can go with that as well. Yes, Tamajit.
Yeah. So the static list can be used in the automation tools, and we can use it as a segmentation list so that we can use that when we are anybody left. Sorry. When we are when a prospect is creating by form handlers or forms or landing pages, so that can be added to the segmentation list by default. That is static.
Okay.
So no changes will be done in the static list, but it is defined in the dynamic list.
So can't we make any changes in static list?
No, we cannot do any changes in static list, but we can set the rules that how can be static list will be created, and we can add prospect to the static list. That's all.
Uh, okay. Are you logged in into Pardot, Tamajit?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. So could you please share me the screen?
Okay.
Oh, great. Yes. Please go into emails, account engagement email. The last section.
Uh, can you repeat further?
Yes, the last option, segmentation
Okay,
list.
segmentation list. Yeah. Okay.
Mhm. Now see, here, if you see, there are name, label, prospects, public, CRM, dynamic test. Can you see that?
Yeah, yeah,
Hmm. Take the cursor there. Yes. So if you see dynamic, where it is dynamic, it's no. Can you see?
Actually, yeah, we can. Sorry, I think I was unable to make you understand that we can create list and we can do changes in that list.
Okay.
But what happens in case of dynamic list that if a prospect is created, okay, so uh, upon on that condition, which rule is set in the dynamic list, that prospects only added to that dynamic list by default. But in the static list, we just only create the static list by doing the changes, and after that, with automation, we can add prospects or to that segmentation list directly.
Okay, I got you. Yes. So you understood that what's the basic. Hmm.
Yeah, yeah,
So
yeah,
you can say static list is the stagnant list which do not change ever
yeah,
unless and until we change them manually or through automation rule, through completion action.
yeah,
Okay.
yeah,
So
yes,
this is how we
yes,
can make the changes. Is that okay with everyone?
As
Yes.
well, basically, the segmentation, sorry, static list is changed by manually, right? And dynamic list is automatic.
Yes, that's correct.
Okay.
That's correct.
Faisal, sorry, I am little late because I was
No problem.
busy.
No problem. No problem. So, Mahua, you can also take part into this. This is Viva. Once this is done, we can continue with the assignment part.
Yeah.
Okay. And once that's done, we can go with the final evaluation with the multiple choice question and answer.
Okay.
Yes. Yes. Thank you so much, Tomajit. You can stop sharing.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. Yes. Amarjyoti, could you
Yeah.
please tell me where can we use dynamic list?
Sorry, Faisal.
Where can we use dynamic list and what's the use of it?
Dynamic.
Mhm.
Sorry. Dynamic list allows us to change which content prospect can see on depending on their data in a specific field.
Okay. Okay. So how can we do that? I mean, uh, can we change them manually? Can we change
Dynamic list is or changed by automatically. Faisal.
automatically? Okay, but how? So as Tomojit shared the screen,
Mhm.
okay, so
Faisal, I can
dynamic,
the answer.
Mama, are you telling something?
Yeah. Let me
Just a
try.
moment. I will come back to you tomorrow.
Okay.
Yes. So Amarjyoti, if you see
Mhm.
in Pardot, in dynamic list, there is yes. If it is yes, it is known as dynamic list, where we have set rules. Okay. Now this is done. This
Mhm.
is done. But where can we use that list?
Where can we use that list?
That's correct. Where can we use that?
Sorry,
Noah?
Faisal. It's not can get it.
Yes.
No problem.
Yes, Faisal. When we try to add prospect, then it is at the time of when creating prospect or add prospect, they add prospect, then it is automatically we can what can I say, then it is automatically uh,
Added.
added in the prospect, to add prospect, it is automatically added.
Okay, no. My question was we have already set up
Yeah.
dynamic list.
Mm.
Okay, we have set up the rules and we have created dynamic list.
Mm.
Where can we use dynamic list?
Uh, we use it in our prospect database.
No. So prospect database is in order to save it. Okay, we have set up the rules now. Now it's done. Okay, and the main basic work is to add the prospect into that list according to the criteria and remove it according to the criteria.
Mhm.
Okay. Now, my question is, how can we use that and where can we use that? Any guesses, Tomojit?
Yeah, Faisal. So whenever a prospect is created, it will check that it matching the rule of the dynamic list or
Mhm.
not. If it matches the rule of the dynamic list, then that prospect will be added to that list.
Okay, done. Uh, Understood with the concept. But where can we use dynamic list?
Uh,
Mhm. Yes, Nikita,
We can use it in list email as well as in engagement studio.
that's correct. That was the answer which I was looking for. Okay.
Okay.
So, Amarjyoti, if we'll search on Google, that won't make any sense.
Sorry, Faisal.
No problem. I understood. I have been working in Pardot since 4 years. So I know each and everything about Google as well. I have been working in this platform where Google was not having any answers. Okay. So dynamic list is a criteria based list where it can be used in only two platforms. One is emails. Why emails? Because we are setting up the criteria. For example, prospects who are having the country as India should be added to list as ABC. So where can we use that? We can use that in test email, sorry, list email, and second in engagement studio. Engagement studio is used to segregate data. Okay, so this is how we can make use of the. If you are creating static list is used in all the platforms. All right, guys, this is clear to everyone.
Yes, Fazil.
All
Yes,
right,
sir.
right. Yes, so pay attention towards it, guys. Okay. So Mahua, if we delete a prospect,
Mhm.
till how many days will that be into Pardot and where it will be?
It will be how many days? It will be stayed in 15 days in recycle bin. Sorry, and
Mhm.
from within 15 days we can recover it.
All right. After
Otherwise,
15 days,
after 15 days, it will automatically deleted.
all right. And good, very good. And if we delete a prospect, not a prospect, if we delete account or contact from CRM, which is synced with Pardot, so what will happen? Yes, Damojit, Amarjyoti, and Mahua. This question is for all of you.
It will deleted from Pardot only, and it will exist as lead or contact in Salesforce.
No, so understand my question, Mahua. I said that in CRM, we have deleted the account or contact, which is synced with Pardot as prospect. So we have deleted that into CRM. What will be the result in Pardot? Yes, Tamujit, go for it.
Fazil, if we delete it from the CRM and if it is synced with the Salesforce, so
Pardot.
if we delete it from the CRM, sorry, if it is synced with the Pardot,
Mhm.
then it will be the synced option. The sync logo will be unappear from the prospect, which we can see in the beside the prospect name, and it will be deleted from the CRM. But in the prospect, it will remain the sync logo will remain.
No. So sync option will stay like that only. Okay. Have you synced it, Tamujit, in your org?
Uh, yeah, but the synced option it did not work.
Okay, it
Only
did not work. Nikita, did you sync?
Yes, I have synced.
Please share your screen.
Yeah.
Okay, open two tabs, one for Pardot and one for CRM.
Okay.
No, just duplicate it. Or did you duplicate it? Okay, yes. All right.
Yeah, I have created one for account
Okay.
engagement. For the other one is sales.
Okay. Go into Pardot prospects. No, no, just the prospects.
Okay.
Hmm. So here, everyone, please pay attention. This is very important. If you see the prospect name in front of that, there's a cloud logo. That means it's synced. Okay. Go into Devin or Roy. Now see, if you will see here, it's synced. Scroll down to the bottom, and here, this is created as lead. Can you see the lead ID? Guys, acknowledge. Are you
Yeah, yeah.
see?
Yes, yes, yes.
Yes. So this is the lead into CRM. Now, Nikita, please go into CRM, into lead, Devin or Roy. Yes. Is it the same email address?
Yeah.
Please, please check.
Roy Devlina at the rate.
Pardon.
Yeah.
Scroll up. Yes, it's the same. So go back to CRM. Mhm. Delete this lead. Go back to Pardot.
So the symbol won't be there.
Go back to prospect. Is it there?
Yeah.
Click back to Devin Roy. Scroll down.
Just give me 1 second.
Okay, okay.
So I guess it won't be available because the lead is deleted from CRM.
Hmm. So scroll up, sync it with CRM. Up on the right hand side. Yes, sync it with CRM. What's the behavior, guys?
It is in recycle bin.
Prospect is in the recycle bin.
Yes, just a moment.
Pardot.
Don't. What is the behavior?
So it is also deleted and from the recycle.
No, it's not deleted. It's in recycle bin. So this prospect is in recycle bin. Click undelete to restore the prospect record. Okay, and scroll down. What
Okay.
happened?
From CRM, it is deleted.
Yes. So this is the main thing which will appear. That is it. The logo will appear as CRM deleted.
Yeah.
Okay.
And
This
the
is
symbol won't be there.
this is the behavior. So symbol means that it is synced, but
Yeah.
the record itself is deleted from CRM. So how will that be synced? Okay. Now this record is created as contact into CRM. Scroll down. You see. So go back to CRM. So, refresh it and click on contact. Was it account or contact?
It was contact.
Contact. Yes, click on contact. Devin Roy. All. You said you have typed Devlina. CRM contact ID. Hmm. Go back. Search by the this name. Oh, it's not synced, so it won't come. Okay, it's not
I
synced.
have to first sync with
Yes,
CRM.
that's correct. So if you will sync that, delete it from CRM, the prospect has been deleted and will not be resynced. Okay. So now my question arrives to Amarjyoti, Mahua,
Yes, sir.
and so now here, as we delete a record into CRM. Okay. So now Devlina is coming here as CRM deleted. Now, if you want to undelete it, and if you want to make that Devlina comebacks into prospect originally the same, will that be possible?
Yes, we can recover it from recycle bin and resync it.
Okay. So can you see that what is the red tag coming up after resyncing it?
It is deleted from the CRM.
So Amarjyoti, we clicked on
Will be not be resynced, right?
so we clicked.
But in CRM, we can resync it.
That's what I'm telling you. In CRM, we can resync it, right? From recovering.
Okay, go ahead, Nikita. It is not deleted here. Oh, sorry. We deleted here.
So, shall I try now?
Yes, yes.
So it's not working.
So that was the only thing which I was telling you. Okay. So what we have to do, the deleted part, you can go to recycle bin.
So it's not there in the recycle bin.
Okay, no. Go to CRM. Hmm. Now, see this. And, create a new create a new contact. With the same details as Devlina.
It's showing as
Let's
duplicate.
open this lead, delete it from CRM.
Deleted. Now I will create the contact, right?
Yes, create contact.
Yeah, done.
Go back to Pardot, refresh it, sync it with CRM. Okay. If you will see, it's synced. No, no. If you will see, it's already synced. Devlina, go back.
But here again, it is showing the prospect is in recycle bin.
Okay. Go back. Go to prospect.
Yeah,
Click on Devlina.
it's not here.
You
It's not
created
here.
Devlina Roy test.
No, no, that's the different one I created today to check the test email.
Okay. So go to recycle bin in Pardot.
Yeah, I think my laptop is not behaving properly.
Sure.
Yeah, now it's showing us true.
Okay. So
So
undelete it.
I'm doing
Yes.
undelete. Now if I go to prospects, yeah, and it is not no sync. So I'm
Uh,
clicking it here now, and then I'll sync with CRM.
yes.
Still showing the same. I don't know what is the issue.
Okay. Okay. So the thing is, if we want to resync it, okay, guys, pay attention to this. But if you want to resync this, we have to create a new contact or lead into CRM. Okay, and then we have to resync it. Now, this once the prospect is deleted, it will forever show that it is CRM deleted and will not be resynced. But if you want this same record to be appearing in Pardot as prospect, we have to create a new record as a lead and then resync it as Devlin Roy. And we can permanently delete this. Is that clear?
Okay. The deleted
So
one
Or
is
we
not
can,
possible for sync, right?
yes. So once it is deleted, it will be forever deleted. And we have to create same record with same email address to resync it.
so I have to create again a new prospect with the same details.
No, no, not the prospect. We have already created the contact
Yeah,
in CRM.
yeah.
Now we have to just resync it.
But the resyncing process is not working.
No, not this, not this. From CRM. Okay, we have created this Devlin Roy.
Yeah.
Okay. Now what we have to do, we have to sync it in Pardot.
Okay, from Salesforce to Pardot, we have to resync it,
Yes,
and then only this resyncing part will be completed.
correct. That's correct. So guys, it is clear to all of you.
Yes.
Yes.
All right. So next question arrives now. Yes.
Yeah,
Uh,
Faisal, I think do not go for the clarification right now.
no. I'm
Straight,
not going for the
yeah, straight
classification.
ask questions, each one of them 10 questions, and just understand that how much they have understood.
Yes, yes.
And
No,
if there is any doubt, Nikita, Shanta, please jot it down or write it down the questions. If you have any queries, ask Faisal after the session, because
no.
evaluation means I need to understand that how much they have understood and they are knowledgeable right now. So
So
Faisal,
it's
yeah,
confused
just
that
evaluate them. So otherwise, it will go on. Na? It will be a 2 hour session, and nobody can understand that how much they have understood. Ask question. Let them fail. Na? Let them say that I do not know the answer.
all of them are confused, so I need to show them.
No, 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 no. If all of them are confused, that means nobody does not understood and gone through the part.
No, no.
I want to know that if you ask question to Tamujit 10 questions, if you ask, Tamujit has to answer 7 answers.
I got you.
If Tamujit is not able to answer 7 questions, that means he has not passed. Same to Muhua, same to Amarjyoti. And then we will do the clarification session. That where is the problem? Why you are not understanding these questions? Otherwise, we cannot evaluate them properly. Okay, Faisal.
Yes, yes, I got you.
I want to say them that I do not know the answer. And it is no harm. So for Tamojit, Muhua, Amurjyoti, if you are not, if you cannot answer the question, it is there is no harm. You can fail an n number of times, no problem on that. But you will understand that yeah, there is a lot of thing to understand to learn, and then according to your situation, Faisal will do the session once again, or maybe he will guide you. So evaluation means we need to know that how much deep are you standing in the water. Yeah, Faisal. Sorry for the interruption. Please go ahead.
No problem, no problem. No,
Yeah.
all of them were having questions, so no problem.
And you ask one by one. You take Muhua or maybe Tomojit,
Yes, yes, I'm doing the same.
spend 10,
So,
15 minutes, and then ask him to leave, or maybe he can be in the call.
no
One by
problem.
one. Yeah.
All right. So yes, yes,
So
no.
whom are you asking questions, Faisal, now? Is it Tomojit, Amurjyoti, or Muhua?
I am asking all of the three-person.
Okay, okay, great.
Yes. So it's, what is segmentation rule and what are the use of it? Rajat, you can answer this.
Yeah, segmentation rule can be used for the automation. Like if we set a segmentation rule, so it can be used in automation that this prospects can go to that segmentation lists. So it will work like that.
Okay, so will that work according to automation, or will that work according to the criteria which we'll set?
It will work according to the criteria, which rules we will select and criteria which we select in the segmentation rule. That prospects will go by this following this rule.
Okay. What do you think, Amarjyoti?
Yeah, Faisal. Segmentation rule, it's used for record a bulky performance, right?
Okay. Bulky performance.
And that's it. And for bulky performance, we can use segmentation rule. That's what I mean.
Okay, so can that be used one time or multiple time?
It okay.
Mm-hmm. Yes,
It can
Mom.
be used multiple times, but it
No,
basically it's used for bulky performance.
Yes,
no,
Mom.
Faisal, actually, I think it will run one times and it will work on prospect database.
Prospect database. Okay. Can that be manually re-executed or automatically?
It is an automatically because it is an automation rule. sorry, automation. And when we do it, it matches some criteria, likewise when we creating a flow in Salesforce, like we do automation in Salesforce. It's like works on the same.
Okay. All right. What is segmentation list?
Segmentation list means can I proceed?
Yes, yes, Nova, you can proceed.
Segmentation list basically divided an email list. An email list, it is divided a large database into into small email group, or we can receive it in individually, and it we create it based on some criteria, likewise uh, website product interest, or website behavior. So uh,
Okay,
we got it we receive it from another email, like this, and
okay.
we divide it in
Tamojit.
smaller group of email list.
No problem, Nova. I got you. What do you think, Tamojit?
Segmentation list can be used as to divide the prospects in the lists, which we can use in the automation rules, and also as I said previously that there is different type of lists we can create as it can be dynamic or it can be static. So list mainly is to divide the prospects means with a list of prospects that we can set criteria in the list and make that prospects to be, that prospects can be on that list, and this list can be used to set emails or that can be when a prospect is creating. We can set automation rules that it should go to the segmentation list that can be done.
Okay. Amarjyoti, could you please
Yeah,
help me? What is
segmentation rule list is allows us to send emails to a certain group of prospects. That's what I think.
okay? Certain group of prospect.
Yeah.
Okay, so can segmentation list be used in engagement studio or
Mm,
test list email?
yes, we can use it for an engagement studio.
Yes, Tamojit.
Engagement
Yeah,
segment.
yeah,
So
that was the answer. Yeah, you can use that.
I also said the same.
Okay, just a moment. All right. Maua. Okay, not Maua. Amarjyoti.
Yeah.
In test email, how
Mhm.
many emails can we send to, and how many people?
Test emails. Right.
Yes, test emails. Yes, I'll come back to you, Amajit.
I think there is no limit, Faisal, to
Okay,
sending emails.
okay. Amajit, what do you think?
Yeah, it is 100 people we can send.
No.
Okay, 100 people. And Mawa, what do you think?
I think 10,000.
10,000. All right. Okay. What are the permission sets in Pardot? And how many are there? I can say what are the rules, roles. Sorry, I'm telling rules. What are the roles? Yes, Tamojit.
There are four roles, standard rules we can say. These are, uh, can I name this?
Yes, yes. Please name it.
Yeah, administrator, marketing, sales, and sales manager.
Yes, Mawa. What do you think? Is he correct?
Yeah, he's correct.
Okay. So, Mawa, the question to you: does marketing person, as we are into marketing automation, the role of marketing, can he or she have full access to the Pardot?
Uh, could you please repeat again?
Yes, I said that as there are four roles in which one is marketing.
Yeah.
So, if the role is allotted to you as marketing, so do you have full access to the Pardot, or is there limitation to it?
I think there is some limitations. Mm.
Okay. What do you think, Tomojit?
Yeah, but marketing role do not have the full access, only the administrator.
Pardon?
Marketing role does not have the full access, only the administrator has.
Okay, Amarjyoti, what do you think? Who have
Yes.
full access?
Who have full access?
Yes.
Okay. I think the admin have the full access.
Okay. Admin has full access. How many versions are there into Pardot?
Four versions.
Could you please name them?
Uh, the paid versions, right? You're telling
Yes,
about
paid version.
growth plus advanced premium.
Okay. What is completion action, guys? Yes, Maua. What is completion action?
Yeah, completion action is an automation tool where in accounting engagement where we use these based on prospect activity like uh, clicking emails or sending or submitting a form. We can use and customize our prospect by this completion action.
Okay. Yes, Tomojit.
If they match some criteria, so we can customize our prospect by completion action.
Okay. Yes, Tomojit.
By the completion action, we can use it in the automation rule. By the completion action, we can send emails to the prospects and do the other things with automation after completion of that.
Okay. Amarjyoti.
Yeah, the same. Clicking on emails and checking prospects, submitting form. That's it.
Okay. What are campaigns?
Campaign means which is campaign is a marketing activity or marketing activity which expose lead and contact bothly, and customer and we can see the customer activity or prospect directly from this campaign.
Okay. Yes, Tamojit.
It is the source of the prospect.
Okay. Source of the prospect. Could you please describe it a little bit more?
Yeah, so when a prospect is creating, by default, we need to set campaigns also. So from website which the prospect is filling their details, so it elaborates that from which campaigns that prospect comes. So it puts that campaign details and prospect details also in the part of.
All right. Yes. And Amarjyoti?
Yeah, same with Tomodit. And also, campaigns have a unique tracking ID for each and other prospects. So that's how we can track them prospects source.
Okay. So, Amarjyoti, if we
Yeah.
have visitors,
Mm-hmm.
okay, who have accessed the campaign, so will that be converted to prospect, or will that be lead on? Will that be visitors only?
Sorry, Faisal, I can't understand your question.
Yes, I said that there's a visitor who
Yeah.
have access into campaigns.
Okay.
Okay, and will that visitor be converted into prospect?
Yes, it can be converted into prospects.
How come? How come?
Because they visit the product or and that's it, I think.
Visited it.
Yeah. No, Faisal, sorry, they are the visitors.
Okay, so they cannot be.
No, 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 no. They can be a prospect, I think.
Okay. Tamajit, what do you think? What is automation rule? What are the use of it? You are on mute.
Sorry, I was in mute. Yeah, automation rules can be set to the prospects to send emails to bulk of the prospects at a time, and also we can do use trigger in the automation rules to perform some automations with sending emails and also doing some updates in the prospects, and these are the things we can do.
Okay. What do you think, Mova? What is automation rule? Is Tamajit right?
Automation rule can change prospect in the database when the prospect fit for some criteria. The automation rule can change the prospect database like flow. Uh,
Okay. So through automation rule, can we send an email?
yeah, we can send an email.
Okay, Amarjyoti, in automation rule, where can we make changes? Can we make changes into CRM or just Pardot?
Just Pardot.
Okay, how come?
Automation rule is basically looks for prospects. So we can change it into just Pardot.
Okay, so if you see, there's one option in automation rule that prospect who are into CRM change that into lead or contact. What does that mean? Can
In
we make,
CRM, they're in contact or lead.
yes, contact or lead? So can we make changes into CRM?
Automation rule checks for the prospect's data, and after that, that's converted.
It's converted. So you mean that we cannot make changes into CRM, right?
No, we can make changes, but automation rule is first checked for the. Yes, we can make changes, Faisal.
Okay. What are landing pages, Mahua?
Landing page means a website or web page where a visitor can visit this page, and it indicates the purchase of product or or buying activity. That is a landing page. Where, sorry.
Okay. Yes, Amarjyoti, what do you think?
Landing page where the prospects are lands on after clicking through the website or link or email, whatever we send.
No, I did not recollect. Could you please repeat it?
Landing pages where the prospects land on after clicking the link or the web page, anything.
Okay. Yes, Amarjyot?
Yeah, so landing pages can be used in the pre-built websites so that if a client have a website, we can use that landing page in that website to get the prospect details. Like if they fill up their details and in the form, a landing page form, so that we can get that prospect details.
Okay. A question to you, Tomojit.
Yeah,
If we are creating form, okay,
yeah,
and we have already created a form, but
yeah.
through one system, there's only one system in a school, okay, and we want 10 student to fill up the form with that same system. So, how is it possible or is it not possible?
Through the same system.
Yes.
What if it is one by one, then it can be possible.
Can it be possible? Is
So
there
you are
any changes?
so you are saying that if we create a form and through that form the 10 students are filling their details, right?
Yes. Yes.
Yeah, so they will be filling up their details with that the form which will be created one by one, and then the prospect will be created.
Okay. Amarjyoti,
Mhm.
what do you think? What are form handlers?
Form handlers collects data from forms and automatically update records.
Okay. Could you please elaborate?
I'm telling that form handlers is collecting data from forms and automatically creates an update on records.
So, will that be form internal form or external form?
The form which we create from where we get prospects.
Okay. So we create that into Pardot,
Yes,
right?
yes, yes.
Okay. Thomas, yes. Would you like to give it a try?
Yeah, Faisal. So form handlers is used to handle the forms which will be created from the Pardot, and after that we can set some basic things that what will be the campaign for that form. From which form the prospects are filling up their details by setting and also we can set uh, 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 redirect locations also after the form after submitting, and we can handle also completion action from there.
Okay. Oh, all right. So, Sovanjit, are you there?
Faisal,
Yeah, Faisal, I'm there.
you something.
Okay. All right. So,
Yeah, Moa, just hold on. Yeah, Faisal, yeah, tell me.
yes. So I have done with the YY.
Okay, fantastic.
Mm,
So, what are your thoughts?
all
Out
right.
of 10, how much Tomojit has scored, Amurjit and Mohur?
All right. So out of 10, I would give Mahua 5,
Okay,
Tomojit 4,
okay,
and Amarjit 3.
super. So, for three of you guys, you need to sit for the evaluation next week once again. I'm giving you 7 days time, maybe 10 days, no problem on that. But you have to pass 70%. You have to pass with 70%. If you need more time, let me know. Tamojit, Mohua, Amurjiti, 7 days, 7 days are good enough.
Yeah, for me it is good enough.
Tamojit, I know Tamojit was busy
Okay.
with certification and all. Amurjiti, I am sure that you are struggling with understanding the Pardot. So, and Mohua, I know that you were busy for last couple of days. So maybe if that for that reason you people could not able to pass today. No issue. Appreciate that you have seat for the evaluation. My intention is to make you understand that guys, if you want to learn something, you have to be evaluated, and once you are evaluated, you can understand that how much knowledge you are right now and how much hard work you need to do. So nothing comes for free, and nothing comes easy in life. So for Pardot, it's a very easy thing. Everybody tells that Pardot is a very easy thing. It's very easy. I am understanding very well. So now you can understand that maybe something is very easy in life, but it is not very easy to achieve it. So for all of you, all three of you, take 7 days time, sit for the evaluation once again, and pass Viva. By the time, Faisal, do you want them to do the hands-on or the uh,
They don't have
yeah,
hands on. That's the reason they are struggling.
correct, correct. So you sit with them separately, maybe tomorrow or day after tomorrow. Give them some hands-on, make them understand that where is the gap, and then next week spend half an hour time with them and evaluate once again. And once they pass with 70%, then give them the assignment.
Okay.
Cool.
Yes.
And for Nikita and Shanta, please complete the assignment and let me know that what they have done. So for Nikita and Shanta, both the assignments should be given.
Yes.
Or
Already
both
given.
the yeah. So and when they are submitting, Nikita Shanta.
I have done. I can show the assignment right now.
Okay. So Shanta, what about you?
Yes, I have also done. I will show
Okay.
the
Then
Faisal.
Amarjyoti, Tamojit, and Muha, please leave. Prepare yourself for next week and sit for the evaluation once again. I'll talk to Faisal separately.
Yeah. Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you, guys.
Thank you,
Yeah.
Surinda.
Faisal, you can stop recording and
Faisal.
you can stop the recording and you can go ahead with Nikita or Shanta.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah.
So
Bye.